Hello, hello, it's Virginia, and I want to share with you my Sweet Dreams pillow spray. Okay, so for those of you who would like to fall asleep smelling a beautiful aroma, make this. If you have little ones that have trouble going to sleep, spray this on them, on their clothes. You can spray this on their pillows. And I usually do it about 20, 30 minutes before they're going to bed so that preps them, and then on their pillows, and they sleep peacefully. Okay, so here's our little glass bottle, and the oils that we're going to use are Balance, Serenity, and Breathe, because they're calming, relaxing, and help you have a restful night's sleep and to actually breathe well while you're sleeping, so that they'll sleep through the night. What we'll start with is Serenity. So 9 drops of Serenity. Okay. Then we're going to do 15 drops of Balance. Bear with me. Balance is a little thicker oil. You see that? And then Breathe is the last one. Okay, so these are all doTERRA blends of oils. We're going to do 6 of this blend. Okay, and so there's a lot of different oils in here, and they all are promoting relaxation and breathing well, and good for sleeping, for anxiousness, so you don't have to just use it on your pillows. You can use it kind of as like a perfume even. Okay, so we put the oils in, and then it calls for a tablespoon of, you can use witch hazel or vodka, and the reason for the vodka is it helps to dry the oils, so that when you're spraying it like on linens and stuff, it's not creating moisture that takes a long time to evaporate. So let me grab this and funnel this in. So I measured that out for my tablespoon, so we're going to pour that in. Whoa! Vodka everywhere. Someone's having a party. Okay, and then you can top the rest with water. Very good. And then all you have to do is each time before you use this, shake it. The vodka helps to kind of keep the oils mixed in also, so that it's not separating. So I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm looking at it, can see it. So there you go, your Sweet Dreams pillow spray. I'll post a link on where I get all of the supplies, and you can use that in your car. You can spray it if you're anxious when you drive. And I know I'm saying that a lot, but it's because I just came in contact with somebody who was like petrified of driving. I don't have a problem driving. So where else can you use this? If you're feeling anxious, or like you're gonna go out and be in a big crowd and you kind of get a little nervous about that, you can use it for that. If you're a video poster and you kind of get nervous doing videos or Instagram lives or Facebook lives, you can do that, and that's calming to your senses. I would do that 5 to 10 minutes before you're going to do one of your lives, and that will help to balance you out and keep you calm. And I just spray it around my chest so that when I heat up, that smell comes up to my nose, and you can enjoy that, and spraying it on the pillow where you're going to lie down and breathe that in. And you can also do that blend in your diffuser, Serenity, Balance, and Breathe, to promote a restful night's sleep. And I would say that the combo of all of these is super yum. Just my opinion. So Hope you enjoy and have fun DIYing.